All right, everybody, you're welcome to our channel today. This is Charles Brown here, and I want to be sharing with you the forecast that we have for the week 48. Week 48, we're going to be looking at what the market holds for us this week that we're just beginning to get in. Now, the year is coming to an end. We already know that the market is not going to be that uh, volatile, especially when it's coming towards the end of December or even before December, halfway down to the end of the month of December. So, but nevertheless, whatever we're going to be teaching or learning in this period of time is just for you to understand that the market will move in certain ways that you may not be expecting or ways that may even favor you. So keep your finger crossed. So we want to be looking at GU today, GDP USD. That's what we call GU. So what is the view of the market? What are we expecting in the week 48? Week 48. What are we expecting to see? Now, first of all, this is the monthly time frame. When you look at it, we can see that in the past 3 months, the market has been bullish, right? In the past 3 months, the market has been bullish. Wonderful. The last month, which was November, was highly bullish. Now we're beginning that bullish momentum again to the upside. So if you can see what I see, in the monthly time frame, I can see that the market may still come up all the way to this level, which is at 26 psychological level. So we're expecting price to hit that bar, and that can be possible because if you see this candle here, can you look at this candle here? Let me just highlight it so you see on my annotation too. This candle here, right? We expect the market to fill it up. I'm expecting price to push all the way up here, and then before we see any major reaction. Why? This is a moving average 2020 EMA, all right? Okay, but this moving average can literally be a confluence on that psychological level. You can see, right? We have a major confluence there. So I'm anticipating there might be a kind of a reaction when price get there for now, but we still hope. At the moment, we are still looking bullish on the monthly time frame, okay? But that's not the conclusive part of this analysis. We need to, first of all, look at the weekly as well. Let's look at the weekly time frame. If you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that price already moved above the moving average, which is 20, and we can see that the market is looking very bullish weekly by week. So again, we see that price just got to 22, gone past 22 psychological level. Price has broken above 22 psychological level, which is around this zone. So now that price has broken above 22 psychological level, which is around this area right here. Let me just highlight it so that some of you see it right there. So we see price above it right now. So what we should anticipate is 24 is achievable. 23 is achievable already. Now, how do I mean 23 psychological level? Price is already hitting 23, 1.23. $1.23 psychological level at the moment. We can see price is almost there, right there, right there. So price is just tapping into the psychological level of 23. So now, what we're looking at is a possible push-up. There will still be a push-up, but this push-up at this moment may lead to a kind of a pullback. So we already see some massive rally up. What we should expect is a pullback. So I'm not sure which of these psychological level at the moment that the market may respect to pull back. But if you look at the higher time frame, like I checked on the monthly, the possible opportunity for the market to start rallying back to pull back will be on the 1.26 psychological level, which obviously is a reasonable position of the retracement. that we may see on GU. So that means if that could be true, we should be looking at from here to this level, another 300 pips to the upside this week. We should be expecting that. Now, when we say to the upside this week, that doesn't mean that right from the market open on Monday, then the market will just start shooting up. No, we should see on the lower time frame, market is consolidating, pulling back, shooting up, pulling back. So we'll see buys and sells taking place on the lower time frames. But the overall perspective is that we're shooting up. Now, if you watch my previous video, week 38, week 48, 47 forecast that I did, week 47. If you check that week 47, you will understand that I said the price was going to come to this high where we are now. All right. I analyzed the market, that the market is going to break this high. We were targeting this high, right? And the market just tap into it right now. So we are right there right now. So the question is, will the market break that high? Of course, we can see the bullish candle that is ending up with the week. This is massive. That means there is still buyer's presence. So that means the market is not slowing down. As we can see, this candle is looking at very healthy candle. It's so strong. So that means the next candle might push up and break and target this high. So I'm anticipating a minimum of 300 pips to the upside in week 48. Okay, this new week, week 48. That's what I can see. Now, first of all, understand that the market, if you look at this weekly time frame, all right, structure has been broken or has just been tapped into. If you look at it very closely, let's look at it very closely. Did it tap into it or did it break it? So we just tap. Okay, good. That's the high. All right, that's a structure high. So the market just tap into it right now. So we will not conclude that the structure has been broken yet, but we want to see break. So that means price push above it, retrace, or push above it highly by tapping into this structure here. All right, this previous lower high. Okay, and then break that or reject from that, which I'm thinking might happen because of the monthly time frame that I saw. What I saw on the monthly time frame, you see, on the monthly time frame, we can see the price actually rally is planning to rally up here because of this imbalance candle that I can see. Price may come up in here, all right, and then before any major retracement that we may see on the lower time frame. So I'm anticipating the price will push all the way up here, which is about 300 and something pips this week 38. So I'm looking forward to that. So there will be more buys this week. That's what I'm anticipating, more buys this week, week 48. So if you look at the daily time frame, you can see the candle that is just printing now. Look at that candle that just printed. So there's a massive weak rejection of this daily candle, pushing over that. So the next candle is going to open. There might be a gap. Watch out. There might be a gap that might shoot between here and this place. So watch out for that. But I'm anticipating that the market is going to rally up. If you can see, there's a gap here as well. I mean, there's an imbalance that has not been filled by this move, you see this drop here. So I'm anticipating a lot of things. For those of you that trade order block and all of that, supply and demand, you can see that there is a possibility that the market is going to tap into the zone. So you should be anticipating that as well. So again, for those of you that trade imbalances, you can see that there is a possibility that the market might feel that imbalance with this move to the upside. So the market just recently retraced. So, and then push to break a new high. So it might still push up a bit before any further retracement. So that's what I see on my analysis looking at GU right now. So on the daily, GU is heavily bullish. On the weekly, GU is heavily bullish. All right. But on the monthly, GU is still strong sell. It's still a sell zone. It's still selling. It looks much like a sell zone to me, but the previous 3 candles have been bullish compared to what the market is doing. So normally what you want to do on your Fibonacci is to check this zone, all right, to see what the market market just hit 50 points. So possibly the market may push higher into the 61 zone, which also align with what we are expecting before any major retracement. So that's it, guys. I hope you got it. You got the idea. So if you're watching this video for the first time, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave your comment at the comment section. Now, if you're new to trading, I have a section on my YouTube where I did a full training for the beginners. Look for the video right there. Probably I'll put it up here on the screen. You'll be able to watch it and understand what you're supposed to be doing as a beginner in the forex market. Okay, this is very important. So last week we closed in a profitable way, and if you want to join us in trading, I have a Telegram group. Hit the Telegram group on the description below. Okay, you get in touch with us in our Telegram group. Yeah, I think that's it. There's not too much to say, rather than to expect the market to open up, and then from there we're looking at targeting entries. So you're going to be looking at buy entries, hopefully until we hit our target of 300 pips, which is about 1.2600. Expect price to get to 1.2600 this coming week, even above. It might still go above to hit 1.2700. Who knows? But expect price to get to 1.26 or 2700 this coming week. And I'm expectant. I'm going to be trading as well. All right, guys. Thank you. I hope you love it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.